Some cases come with shadows. This one came with screams in the dark.
This farm was long past its expiration date.
The attic creaked like an old hen's bones. This isn't just foul play. It's supernatural.
You've ruffled my feathers for the last time.
The city's shadows thickened, and with them, the specter of the feathered phantom.
So if it wasn't a disguise, what was I fighting?
Cluckles stared into the
Another
abyss,
case solved,
and the abyss
but the next
stared
clue
back.
is just around the corner.